a working woman who wants to gain weight, then this video is going to give you the exact system to do it step by step. The same system that has worked for over 2000 plus women, and we're going to go through every single part of it today. Now, before we start, I want to ask you one thing. How long have you been trying to gain weight? A few months, a year, or maybe even longer. And in that time, you have probably just been told to eat more, eat healthy, or just to work out more. And you have tried all of it, but it has not worked the way you hope. Here's why. That advice was not made for you. You are a working woman. Your life does not fit into generic fitness advice. And that is not your fault.
I'm the co-founder at Fitnia and her husband. We've transformed more than 2000 women till now to gain weight, build strength, and feel confident in only 90 days. My job today is simple. I ask the questions you are sitting at home thinking, and Niyati answers them for us. So by the end of this video, you have a complete step-by-step action in place. So let's get into it. Niyati, before the steps, give us the big picture. What is this system built on?
Our 90-day weight gain system is based on 3 pillars. We call it the 3M method: meals, movement, and mindset. Think of it like a 3-legged stool. You remove one leg and it falls. All 3 have to work together. Meals gives your body the fuel to build. Movement tells your body where to build. And mindset keeps you consistent long enough for both to actually work. And today we are going to go through all 3 M's, every step. And starting with the most important one, meals. Meals is 70% of your results. Not 50, not 60, 70%. Get your food right and your body will start to change. And if you get it wrong, no amount of working out is going to fix it. So here's exactly what to do.
Niyati, let's start from zero. Some woman is watching this and she has no idea where to begin. What is the first thing they do?
Use this 5-step method for meals. Step 1. Find your calorie target. Open Google, find TDEE calculator and tap on the first result. Put in your age, height, weight and activity level. It gives you a number. Let's say 2000 calories. These are your maintenance calories. That is what your body burns every day to just exist. Now to gain weight, you just need to eat more than that. Not 1 or 2 calories, but 300 to 400 calories more than that. So your daily calorie target becomes 2300 to 2400 calories. That extra 300 to 400, that is what your body uses to build. Without it, there is nothing to build with. This is a non-negotiable.
Okay, so we have now Googled our daily calorie target, but now how do we actually eat and complete it every day? Because that sounds like a lot of food.
Step 2. Eat 4 to 5 times a day, not 3 big meals, but 4 to 5 smaller ones. Break it down like this: breakfast, mid-morning snack, lunch, evening snack and dinner. Here's why this matters for most working women. Do you agree that when you're busy or you're stressed, your hunger suddenly drops? Trying to hit 2200 calories in 3 sittings feels impossible. But split across 5 meals, each one is small, easy and quick. You eat it and just get on with your day. Every single meal should have 3 things: protein, carbohydrates and fats. Every meal and every time.
Niyati, walk us through protein because I know this is the big one.
Step 3. Hit your protein every single day. Protein is what builds muscle. Without enough protein, your body cannot build lean muscle. And even if you're eating enough calories. In that case, the calories just go to fat, so protein is not optional. The target is 1.2 to 2 grams of protein. Multiply your body weight in kilograms into 1.5. That's your daily protein target. If you weigh 50 kilograms, then 60 to 100 grams of protein is your daily target. Your best sources are paneer, tofu, dal, chicken, fish, pulses, eggs. One of these goes in every single meal. Every single one. And especially breakfast. This is where most working women fail. If you start your day with chai and toast, then yes, I'm talking about you. You have already missed your first protein meal of your day before 9 a.m.
And tracking your meals. How do you make this simple for someone who is already juggling a full-time career?
Step 4. Log all meals of your day. It just takes 3 minutes. You do not need to become a nutritionist. You just need to log your meals every single time right after you eat it. We do this in our Fitnia's app with all our clients, but any free app can work to start with. Log your food and check for only 2 things. Did I meet my calorie target and did I meet my protein target? That is all. Do this for 2 weeks and that will tell you exactly where you're going wrong. Most women discover that they have been eating 600 to 800 calories less than they had thought. That one realization can change everything.
And Niyati, what about water intake?
Step 5. Drink 3 liters of water every single day. Water helps your body digest food, move nutrients around, and recover from training. And without enough water, all of these slow down. Easiest hack is Start with 500 ml of water early morning to start your day the best. A 1 liter of water bottle on your desk refilled twice during the day, and 1 glass with dinner. That's all. And no, chai and coffee do not count.
Okay, so our first pillar, meals, is sorted. Now, Niyati, food alone won't change how we look, right? We need to strength train. Walk us through the second pillar, movement.
Yes, and this is the part which physically reshapes your body. Let's go. Movement tells your body where to put those calories exactly. Without the right training, a calorie surplus just adds fat, but with proper training, it will build you lean muscle. That is the difference between gaining weight randomly and gaining weight in the right places, just like how you want. And the right training is strength training, not cardio. Cardio burns so many more calories, exactly the opposite of what we want. Strength training breaks down your muscle fibers. When they repair, they come back bigger and stronger. And this is how your body changes shape.
So, Niyati, how many days should we work out and for how long? And what does an actual week look like for a working woman?
Use this 5-step method for movement. Step 1. Train 3 to 5 days a week, 30 to 40 minutes per session. If you're just starting, then just begin with 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 1 day on and 1 day off. Your body needs the rest days to grow and repair. So 3 days a week is more than enough. You don't need an hour, 30 to 40 minutes is enough, and you don't need to go to the gym. This is like one episode of a Netflix series, done and dusted before you even feel like you worked out.
So, Niyati, what workouts do we actually do in those 30 to 40 minutes?
Step 2. Follow push, pull, and legs. 3 types of sessions you rotate through. Push day. You push weight away from your body, like push-ups, shoulder press, chest press. These focus on chest, shoulders, and triceps. And pull day. You pull the weight towards you, like lat pull downs, back rows. These focus on your back and biceps. And leg day, like squats, lunges, deadlifts, glute kickbacks. All these focus on your legs, your glutes, your all muscles in your legs. And leg day is the most important one. I'll tell you why. Your legs are the biggest muscle group in your body. Training them triggers muscle growth everywhere. So follow this. A full week where Monday you do push, Wednesday pull, and Friday legs. Rest days in between. It's clear, it's simple, and it works.
So, Niyati, how can we be consistent over 90 days? Because I know women hit their plateaus quite early.
Step 3. Add progressive overload every single week. This is the most important training rule and the most ignored one as well. Progressive overload means every week your workout is slightly harder than the last week. It can be in different forms. More weight, more reps, more sets, and it has to be just a little more. A simple example can be week 1 you start with bodyweight squats, week 2 you start with a light dumbbell, week 3 we can go for a heavier dumbbell, and week 4 you can finally start doing barbell squats. Your muscles grow only when they face challenge. Same workout, same weight, every week your body just adapts and stops changing. The challenge has to keep moving. That is the only rule.
And Niyati, what about our form? Because I know a lot of beginner women are feeling how can they do the movements correctly?
Step 4. Learn the form first. Add weights later. For the first 1 or 2 weeks, you can just start with body weight squats, body weight exercises. No dumbbells, no bands, just you and the movement. Get comfortable with how this feels. Record yourself, watch it back. Check for only 2 things. Is your back straight? And are your knees overtaking your toes on leg day exercises? Fix those 2 and you're safe and effective for almost every movement.
And what's our last point on movement?
Step 5. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. This one surprises people, but this is exactly when your muscles actually grow. Your body repairs muscle fibers and releases growth hormones and processes everything you did in your workout while you're sleeping. Eat perfectly, train perfectly, but if you're sleeping only 5 hours, that's it. You ruined everything you just did. Protect your sleep the same way you would protect a work deadline. It is not optional.
So, Niyati, here is the question I really want to ask you because I see this pattern all the time. Women know what to do, they start strong, and week 3 or 4 comes and it all falls apart. What is going on?
Yes, Yash, that is our third pillar, mindset. And honestly, this is the one that decides everything. Let's talk about it. Let me say something clearly. Motivation does not work. Motivation is just a feeling. It comes on a Monday morning and it disappears on a Wednesday after a long work day. You cannot build a body on a feeling that comes and goes. What works is a system and a shift in how you see yourself. Here is both step by step.
Niyati, let's start with the mindset system. What does that look like every single day?
Use this 5-step method for mindset. Step 1. Build your 5 items daily checklist. 5 things every day and write it down somewhere that you can actually see. 1. Log your meals. 2. Hit your protein target. 3. do your workout. 4, drink your 3 liters. And 5, go to bed on time. These are not goals, these are just actions. Tick them off every day like work tasks. No motivation needed. Just do these 5 things and that's your only job.
You also talk about identity, right? So what does that mean on a day-to-day basis?
Step 2, change what you say to yourself. Most women say, I want to gain weight, I want to feel strong, I want more confidence. Most women who actually got there stopped saying, I want. They started saying, I am. I am someone who shows up for my body. I am getting stronger every week. I am becoming the best version of myself. This is how you make it real. Every morning before you check your phone, say these 3 things out loud. I am someone who shows up for my body. I am building strength and confidence. I am 90 days away from becoming the best version of myself. 2 minutes every morning, that is it.
And Niyati, what about genuinely hard days that our women go through? Like a brutal day at work, they are traveling, or some festivals, life throwing something unexpected at you.
Step 3, have your hard days plan ready before you need it. Normal day looks like full workout, full meals, full logging. We know that. But on hard days, your only job is to not break this chain. 15-minute body weight workout, 1 solid protein meal, and 3 sips of water every hour. That's it. On a hard day, you're not trying to progress. You're just trying hard to stay in the game. 1 small action is going to keep the streak alive, and keeping the streak alive is everything.
So Niyati, what's the last step on mindset?
Step 4, check in with your coach every week. No ghosting. This is the single biggest factor between women who finish the 90 days and women who drop at week 4. Women who check in every week, they share their wins, share struggles, and ask questions. And those are the women who transform every single time. Because hard weeks will come. Weeks where scale does not change at all. Weeks where nothing feels like it's working. A coach who can look at your data, adjust your plan, and tell you, you are on track, let's keep going. This changes everything. Here's the truth about 90 days. It takes around 80 to 90 days for a habit to actually stick into your brain. Not 2 weeks, not 4 weeks, 80 to 90 days. If you're in week 3 and it feels hard, that is not failure. That is just where you are in the process. So keep going.
So Niyati, let's summarize everything together. Someone is watching this right now and wants to start today. What is the plan?
Here is your complete action plan right now. First pillar, meals. Google and find your TDEE. 8 300 to 400 calories more than that. Eat 4 to 5 times a day small meals. Multiply your body weight in kgs into 1.5. That's your protein target. Log your meals every single day and drink 3 liters of water. Second pillar, movement. 3 to 5 strength training sessions a week, 30 to 40 minutes. Push, pull, legs, progressive overload every week, and learn the form first. And don't forget to sleep 7 to 8 hours every single night. Third pillar, mindset. 5 daily actions. Tick them off every single day. Say your 3 identity statements every morning and know your hard day plan before you need it. And check in with your coach every single week. That is the 3M method. That is the system. And only specially for working women who want to gain weight in 90 days. And it works.
And if you want to gain weight while Niyati coaching you and directly working one-on-one by following all the 3 pillars, meals, movement, and mindset,
book a free consultation call with us. The link is right below in the description. In that call, we look at your life, your schedule, your body, your goals, and tell you exactly what your personal 90 days look like. No pressure, just complete clarity on how it will exactly look like for you.
And if this video genuinely helped you today, then share it with one woman in your life who needs to hear this. You might be the reason that her weight gain journey starts.
Awesome, ladies. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.